Welcome to today's technical analysis video on Tuesday the 18th of September 2018. Now, I've seen a lot of YouTubers making really alarmist videos recently saying that the Bitcoin price has dropped below the market structure or is broken out of a pattern, but actually I'm here to tell you that we are still within this pattern here. I'm currently on the weekly view and we can see that we are seeing higher lows consecutively every week. We are also seeing lower highs. Let's zoom in on the 1 day view and let's get this onto the screen here. So we can see that these lower highs are happening regularly and the price is narrowing. We're currently below the moving averages, and this moving average recently acted as a resistance line, the blue moving average that you can see here. Previously this did happen back on the 18th of August. We went close to that blue resistance line before the price went down slightly and then it broke out. So will that pattern repeat? Answer that poll for me now. Let me know if you think we'll break through this resistance or do you think we're going to break through the green support line that we're seeing. My personal opinion is that we are going to see some basically sideways movement, because this up and down movement that we are seeing at the moment is only within a range of 12%, which isn't huge really in Bitcoin terms. Whoops, didn't mean to move that. So this price I believe will narrow until we reach a breakout point. Now if we do break out to the upside, this breakout could take the price above, let's see, above $8,000. So that's going to be fantastic if that happens, but we will need some strength behind the movement for that to happen. Now in terms of RSI on the daily view, the standard RSI is at 39, so that's quite low, it's below 50. And also the stochastic RSI, which is most useful during sideways movements, is at 36. So both RSIs suggest there is plenty of room for the price to go up. Now if we continue sideways along the bottom of this point, then there's plenty of room to go up because the strength can build up. But if we was at the top point, then we could go into oversold conditions and the price could come down. But I think it's going to be likely that we will break out to the upside. So the way that I work out that the breakout could be this high is based on the length of this point here. From the start of this pattern to the bottom point that we saw here on the 14th of August, when I think we did reach the bottom point, because this bottom does go back historically. If we zoom out, we can see that around about this point was touched previously on the 28th of June at $5,825, and there is a bottom wick here on the 5th of February at $5,882, and also back here during the bull run there was a dip down on the 12th of November 2017 to 5,905, or even the wick goes lower, 5,529. But we've not seen prices that low this year, so that is a good sign in my opinion. And this pattern here does tend to break out to the upside. It's more likely to break out to the upside. So the breakout point, if it happens here, where the price, where the levels do narrow into nothing basically, then the breakout could go to the upside and we could reach $8,900, which will be brilliant. So let's zoom in on the 4-hour chart. I don't normally zoom in any more than that, and we can see that yes, we've been bouncing around these levels basically. Doesn't really tell us much more other than we are at a very low point at the moment. We are below the moving averages even on the 4-hour chart. So I would suggest to you, and it's not financial advice, it's just my opinion, I would suggest that this could be a good opportunity to buy, because we're seeing low RSIs, the price is lower than all of the moving averages, which are in the order of blue, green, yellow, red from bottom to top. So that is a good indication that it's a good time to buy. Whereas here, they were kind of reversed, nearly reversed. So that was a semi signal, partial signal to sell here. So you could have sold a proportion at the top, although it wasn't a very good sign. It was better here, where we saw the moving averages going blue, green, yellow, red from top to bottom, and corresponding high RSIs on the stochastic RSI here. So yeah, it's at a low point at the moment. So if I predict that we will kind of move sideways roughly along here and then experience a breakout. Now when this breakout comes, I don't mean that we will suddenly go to 8,800. What's more likely to happen is that this line will be a gradual line of some sort. So probably we're looking at sometime in November to reach those levels. Let me know if you agree or not in the poll. Do comment, let me know if you've got any questions. And you might notice that my videos are ad-free. I don't have any YouTube ads on my channel. So to help keep it free, please do click the links in the video description. I've got 3 offers. First of all, a $10 credit from Coinbase, the most trusted Bitcoin exchange in the world. So if you're not already on Coinbase, go through that link and you can get a $10 bonus or the equivalent in your currency. Also, at this time, it's a good time to mine Bitcoin. So if you've got a gaming PC or laptop that's got a good GPU, definitely join Honey Miner. It's completely free, and then you can use the unused computing power on your laptop or PC to mine Bitcoin, and then when the price of Bitcoin increases, you can make a good profit. Also, I've got a new affiliate link for Trezor, the hardware wallet. So definitely check that out as well. You'll find all of the links in the video description below. I appreciate you subscribing and liking the video, and I shall see you again very soon. Until then, bye for now.